wideopensportsman.com.
Hey guys, Dave Valtiero with Wide Open Sportsman and Wide Open Outdoor Adventures. I'm here on 410 in San Antonio at Anthony's Planet Pickup. This place is over the top trick. Tell you what they did for this truck. Toyo tires, Moto Metal wheels, brush guards on here. They lifted and leveled it. This is an AT4. This is a Sierra GMC. They got a great grill guard on here. On the grill guard, I asked for a light bar, bam! Light bar. Tell you what, this is my third truck that they did. Brand new truck from the dealer, and I bring it over here and we just start making it custom. We make it wide open style. That's what I'm talking. Check out my friends, Anthony specifically, and Chris over here can hook you up too. They can bring an older truck back to life, or they can make a new truck, the gorilla truck of your dreams. The guy with the most toys wins.
Roger that.